Uh, Good morning, one and all present here. I'm Ms. Nikita Jadhav. Welcome you for this session of 1 week online short-term training program on data science and machine learning, basic to advanced approach, organized by Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, CSMS Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, Aurangabad. It's a holy tradition to worship our goddess Saraswati before any important event. So let's start with our event with this Saraswati Vandana. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिः देवी सदा वन्दिता श्यामा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा. Thank you. Now let's begin with our today's session. So, data science and machine learning are the trendy topics in the age of artificial intelligence. Basically, data science represents the entire process of finding meaning in the data, and whereas the machine learning deals with the often used to assist in the search because they are capable of learning the data, right? So, role of this data science and machine learning is not evolved overnight. Thanks to our faster computing devices and cheaper storage, so that we can now predict outcome in minutes, which could take several human hours to process. Data participants are are requested to please mute their mics.
Participants, you are requested to please mute your audio.
All the participants are requested to please mute their mics. Okay, thank you. Data scientist gets home hooping of 124,000 of billion dollars in a year, and they owe it to the deficiency of skilled professional in this field. Considering these many opportunities and broader scope in data science and machine learning, our honorable principal sir, HOD sir, and faculty members come up with this amazing hands-on workshop for student, faculties, and industrialists to lay the stepping bricks of the future opportunities related to data science and machine learning. I would also like to mention here that to give better opportunities to the Marathwada region student in the field of artificial intelligence and data science, CSMS Chhatrapati Shahu College started a new branch in our college and became the first and only engineering institute in Marathwada region to offer BTech in artificial intelligence and data science. Such a great initiative. We, as an CSMSS family, always there to encourage students and faculty members to learn new skills and achieve success in all possible ways. Our chief patron, Honorable Ranjit Ji Mohe Sir, President CSMSS Sanstha, Honorable Padmakar Ji Mohe Sir, Secretary CSMSS Sanstha, and patron of this session, Dr. Srikanji Deshmukh, AO, CSMSS Sanstha, and Honorable Principal Dr. U.B. Shinde, CSMSS College of Engineering, Aurangabad, have given their valuable suggestion and encouraged faculty members to attend to organize such workshop. Now, I request Head of the Department, Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Professor D.L. Bhuyar, sir, to kindly present the preamble of the session. So, over to you.
Good morning, one and all. Respected principal sir, all the participants, head of the departments, and my colleagues, good morning. And I am very sorry to half an hour delay for the process because of some technical issue. So with this, we will start. On behalf of Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering and Electronics and Telecommunication Department, I welcome all the participants for this workshop of data science and machine learning. Data science has become very important in the finance industry, which is mostly used for better risk management and risk analysis. The better analysis lead to better decision, which lead to increase in profits for financial institution. Companies also analyze the trends in data through business intelligence tool. Data science and machine learning are both very popularized words today. These two terms are often thrown around together but should not be mistaken for synonyms. Although data science includes machine learning, it is a vast field with many different tools. Machine learning creates useful model or program autonomously testing many solutions against the available data and finding the best fit for the problem. Various industries like Google is doing research to make it easier to understand how neural networks think. However, this work will need to go further before it can address data bias and other ethical issues with machine learning. Machine learning algorithms can analyze thousands of data servers simultaneously. Various industries, some of them I would like to mention, like IBM, Infosys, Microsoft, are leading players by achieving this. Artificial intelligence and data science is a crucial part of their technologies. Driverless is one of the examples for the artificial intelligence. Even Google Mail, 99.9% Google spam mail will be filtered with the help of data science and AI. So for such topic, respected principal sirs guide us to why we are going to select such type of topic and elaborate the knowledge. So for this today's program, we have this 5 days activity. I will elaborate this activity like for day first, that is today, introduction to Python and the R. Then understanding TensorFlow, Jupyter Notebook. Then hands-on practice and data pre-processing. Then recent trends and industry-based learning for data science. Some case study and live industry projects and problem solving with the help of this. So that this is the structure of this 1 week program. We will enjoy these 5 days with the help of this, and don't hesitate to ask anything. Again, I appreciate the faculty members who has taken efforts for these programs. Anand Payamode sir, Srinivas Jawar sir, and Akshay Dada sir, they have taken effort to organize such program. Another thing is that I also appreciate your efforts. You have to ready with laptop and computer for this hands-on program. I welcome once again on behalf of CSMSS Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering and CSMSS Sanstha for this. Our principal sir is always encourages us to organize such program, and our respected President Ranjit Ji Mule and Sri Secretary Padmakar Rao Ji Mule, along with patron Sri Srikant Ji Deshmukh, AO CSMSS Sanstha, they have motivated us to organize and give permission to organize such event. On my side, this is welcome again. Thank you very much. Nikita madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you so
Hello.
much, sir. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
you are audible.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request head of the department, Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. R.P. Chopde sir, to kindly share their views regarding this webinar. Chopde sir,
Chopde sir.
can you hear?
Chopde sir. Chopde sir.
Hello.
You are audible. Madam, I think
Hello.
he is. Yeah,
Yes,
please,
Hello.
please. Sir.
Sir, over
Yes,
to
sir.
you.
Yes, thank you so much. Respected principal sir of our institute, Dr. UB Shinde sir, all HOD and participant. We are not a part of history, but we know the history of engineering. It starts from the wheel, the great revolution in the engineering. And then another boom is electric motor, when the wheel is revolved with the help of electric motor. Then another revolution started when the electronics scientists given their great contribution to reduce the size and increase the speed of engineering. Another in 1960s 70s, when the computer came into picture, the total era of engineering changed once again. And now also after 2010, now data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. This is the another speedily way in the engineering for all of us. So this is today's need to learn artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning, not only for electronics and computer people, but it is also a boom. It is also a worship for all kind of engineering, like civil engineering, especially mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and even in art, commerce, sciences also people are using data sciences for analyzing their data and taking the conclusion at very speedily way. So this is the right way. The topic picked up by electronics engineering department of Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, and I congratulate the HOD and all organizer, and I wish you very best for the coming week and informative way. The people will learn and will organize this kind of program again and again. Thank you very much, sir. Hello.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you so
thank you
Thank
much,
you,
so
sir.
much,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for guiding us and sharing your views. Now I request Honorable Principal Sir Dr. U.B. Shinde to please guide us. Over to you, sir.
Sir is self-muted.
Okay,
Sir,
sir, I request you to kindly unmute yourself.
sir, please unmute yourself.
Principal, sir.
Sir, you can unmute and you can start.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
audible.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay, thank you. Hello,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome
Good morning.
all participants for online workshop on data science and machine learning organized by our Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, CSMSS Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, Aurangabad. First of all, I am congratulate to Electronics and Telecommunication Department to organize this data science and machine learning workshop. My dear participants, as we know that at its core, data science is a field of study that aims to use a scientific approach to extract machine and insight from data and machine learning. On the other hand, refers to group of techniques used by data scientists that allow computers to learn from data. These techniques produce results that perform well without programming explicit rules. Data science and machine learning is the most demandable approach in today's technological world. Machine learning is being applied in nearly every industry, cutting cost by letting a machine learning algorithm make decision is a very lucrative solution to many problems. And for that, data science is a basic need. That's why data science and machine learning is changing the nature of almost everything. It reduce operational cost, increase revenues, and enhance users' experience, better compliances, and reinforce security. Security threats in finance are increasing along with the growing number of transactions, users, and third-party integrations. Machine learning algorithms are excellent at detecting frauds in banks. Insurance companies have a large number of historical consumer data, so they can use these entries to train machine learning models. Alternatively, they can leverage data sets generated by large telecom or utility companies. Almost every company, few of them are Amazon, Flipkart, Google, IBM, Infosys, Microsoft, use data science and machine learning algorithms. 75% of Netflix users selects firms recommended to them by company as machine learning algorithms. The global machine learning market was valued at near about 11,000 crore in 2017 and is expected to reach 1.14 lakh crore in 2024, growing a CAGR compound annual growth rate of 44% between 2017 to 2024. So enhance skills related to data science and machine learning into student and also to make good utilization on the COVID pandemic situation. We came up with this online workshop to give students and insight of data science and machine learning. Lastly, I'm best of luck to all the participants and I'm thanks to our management, Sri Padmakaraji Mule and Ranjit Mule sir, our president, give this platform to share with you. Thank you very much and best of luck to all of the participants. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Your timely guidance and suggestions always motivate us. Thank you so much. Now I would like to introduce our trainer, Professor A.S. Paimode sir, Assistant Professor, CSMC Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, Aurangabad, having 9+ years of experience in academics and 3+ years of experience in training faculties and students. He completed his graduation in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering and further completed MTech in VLSI System Design and pursuing his PhD. He enjoying working with data science, machine learning, AI, and VLSI design. He is having 20+. He has completed basically 20+ training session as an FDP and also for the student. So we conclude our introductory session here. I would like to thank our management, president, and secretary of CSMS Sanstha for timely support and encouragement. I would also like to thank Principal Dr. U.B. Shinde sir for allowing and encouraging faculty members and students to learn new skills. I would also like to thank the patron or convener of this particular event, HOD, ANTC department, for their timely support and guidance, and all the HODs for their presence. And I extend my thanks toward the organizer of this event, Professor S.R. Zawar sir and Professor A.T. Zadav sir, for their technical support and motivating students with all the faculty members to participate in this particular workshop. Last but not the least are all the participants who participated in the workshop to enhance their skill and utilize this pandemic situation wisely. Now, I request Professor A.S. Paimode sir, trainer of the session, to kindly proceed with the session. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Nikita madam, for the introduction, and thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Over to you.
Before start the actual session, I would like to thanks our management. Again, and thanks to our respected principal sir for their guidance, for their motivation, for such type of activity. Due to only we are doing this type of activity. Thank you so much, sir. Again, and thanks to our support, our department head, Bhuyar sir. Again, thanks to all the head of department. Again, and thanks to the our team, support team, Zawar sir, Akshay sir, and Nikita madam. And we are now I'm starting my screen. participants are request. This is a as we are giving the title. It's a basic to advanced. Participants as our HTTP data science and machine learning, and we have mentioned here basic to advanced approach. With this, we actually connect all the faculties, all the students. Actually, they are interested to learn from the data science, from the machine learning, from the basic. Yes. Okay, that's why we are starting with some basic and number of time in this COVID-19 situation, a lot of webinars and programs FDP is actually conducted by the different
Prime Minister, sir, do it full screen. Prime Minister, sir, do it full screen.
Yes, sir. Okay, I have not started yet. Just okay. Yes, sir. Okay, now it is visible to all of you.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. As our approach means we can go for the hands-on only, because participants all know the basic idea about the data science, machine learning, but it is very important once you go with the practical approach, once you go with the hands-on, then only you can build the confidence in this particular domain. Okay, as you know, the current day, this cutting edge technology, that is a data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, cyber security. Okay, people are focusing. Blockchain is also there. People are focusing, but only understanding the applied approach is not sufficient. Once you go with the single step, when you start with the single step, then only you will get the confidence. And with this approach, we actually starting from some basic, and after that we can go at the end of day, we can go for some advanced approach. Okay, our schedule is there. Suppose if parties today we are 1 hour late, but we can cover this time. We can extend our time if our participant is ready. They don't have any issue. We can extend our time 1 hour or 2 hour. Okay, at organizing side there is no issue. We can cover our topic. Okay, this is my basic idea or our motto behind this 1 week short-term training program, and then after that, when we discuss, actually, okay, yes, this is about me. Actually, Nikita madam already give all the details. Actually, who I am. Actually, from last 3+ year, actually, we are conducting the training in this domain, and we are now ready to take some practice hands-on session, which is very important in this particular domain. Okay, this is the outline for our next 5 days. In these 5 days, we can understand the data science use cases and opportunities. Say similar for the machine learning use cases and opportunities. And as participants, we are talking about the hands-on. We will go for 10 to 15 minutes about the some basic fundamentals, basic applied approach of these topics, and after that we can move for the hands-on session. Okay, then after that, very important third point, that is the introduction to the tools and the platform used for the data science and machine learning. We are touching to 6 to 7 different types of tools, that is open source tool that actually useful for these 2 different domains. Okay, then after that, the fourth important point, that is the introduction of the Python, then R is there, and Jupyter and Google Colab. As a participants, you already know the programming knowledge is important. Okay, once you start with some basic programming knowledge, in that at the top Python is there with the some industry. We can say Python is on top. Again, you can go for the R. There is a some advantages for the Python. You can use the R also. And this platform, that is a Jupyter and Google Colab, because we are talking this because it is open source. Okay, at your end you can start the learning, you can start building some application for these tools. Therefore these four different tools are very important. We are learning from next 1 or 2 days all these platform. Then after that we can discuss different way of the machine learning, different types of the machine learning. Then after that machine learning implementation algorithm, basic to advanced different algorithm we can discuss here. Then after end of the day we can find out the opportunity. Ultimately world is moving toward this cutting edge technology. Therefore we need to understand what is the role in this domain and what type of job opportunity. As a number of participants are students also, they can start their career in this particular domain. Therefore they should know what type of career opportunity for data science and machine learning. And again in the last day we can discuss some interview techniques preparation for data science and machine learning. Okay, with this this is our completely outline for next 5 days. Now this is our first slide, as I have told here, that is the tools and introduction and the installation. I request to all the participants again I will take 5 minutes only, and I will clear the data science, what actually data science, and at what platform we need to learn the data science in our STTP. And after that, we will start the hands-on session. Participants, are you with me? Be connected. If any query is there, you can put in the chat box. Suppose chat box, if you are not using, you can just raise your hand. So we will be connected, then only that is the use of the hands-on. Okay, be connected with me. Any query, I will give after 10 minutes I will give time. You can ask the question, and after solving your issue we can move forward for our program. Okay, now this is a introduction, short introduction. Within 10 minutes we can complete this introduction, and then we will go for the hands-on. Okay, as data science, we talk about these four aspects about the data science. First important, anyone with the basic statistical, they can start the learning data science. Basic fundamentals of the mathematics, including linear algebra, there is a matrices, you can say calculus and probability. If you having basic approach all these four mathematicals, you can start the data science. If you it is a like a, we can say 10th level, you have completed all these fundamentals of mathematics, and you need the basic approach of the statistics. Third important point here, that is a programming. There are a lot of programming where you can go with the data science, but currently Python is on top, means 46% job opportunity in the Python. Therefore we are prefer here Python, and little bit we are focusing over the R programming also. After that, after all these three, very important, that is a visualize techniques, or you can say it is a visualization. As you know, data science and machine learning, you are finding some hidden patterns from the data, and that hidden pattern you can show by using the some visualization techniques. And again we are planning one of the very important Tableau is there, where you can visualize, find out the insight from the data or these visualization techniques. Both are the important parameter of the data science. Then why the need of the data science? Again, people are confused with the word data science, data analytics, and data scientist. I will clear one by one day. You can clear this difference also. But before that, we will understand the data science. First important point here, as in the right side, you see that is who your existing customers are and how do you retain them. Okay, generally you are using data science to solve the business problem in the current day. You need to increase your profit. Okay, therefore understanding of the customers are very important. Once you understand the customer need, you can grow your business. Therefore the first important point, that is understanding of the customer need, are the important. Then after that, how do you find the new business opportunity? Okay, participants, if your business growing in your own way, but after some time, suppose you want to grow your business with the situation, you want to increase your business, therefore how you will get the opportunity for the business from the data science, that is also part of the learning. Then third, how do you analyze the existing and historical data? So historically, means traditionally you are doing your business and you want to put this cutting edge technology for your business. There is a lot of examples. After adding data science, machine learning and AI techniques in their business increase 20-30%. There is a real examples. You can see there is a lot of you can say online shopping there, where they can increase the business. Therefore understanding of the existing their business and some historical data, and with this you can increase your business. And last point, how do you build the system which is a highly available and scalable? Okay, with these three we can develop your own systems, and we can increase your customers, and you can grow your business. This is a basic approach over this data science. Then very important, that is a programming language you are using. And one of the very important programming language, that is a participants, is my voice is audible? Is it fast, or I go slowly? Please, if any query, you can put to the technical team. Technical team observing your chart, they will inform me. Please, if any issue you are facing. Now I will go with means we can say I will reduce my speed. Okay, data science important language, that is the Python. As already you know, the one important language, that is the Python, and it is an open source language, and that language you can use. Okay, you can use for the Android, you can use over the Linux system, you can use over the Windows system. Okay, therefore this is an open source language. Then after that, after developing this code using Python, why Python is there? With these three words, I can give you the clear idea about the Python. Why Python we are preferring for the data science? Because first important, that is the productivity. As when you are develop your code, okay, and after developing your code, you want to deploy that code in particular platform, and if that code is deploy well, we can say that is a better productivity, or we can say that is a better product. Okay, and that is a happen simple you can do with the Python programming. Means productivity is important. Then second, that is a maintain. You can maintain your applications, you can maintain your particular domain, we can say those you are preferring for the data science. Means maintainability is also important. And third important, that is the software quality. Okay, finally when we discuss about the online shopping, customers can attract due to the visualization. Means how that product is visualized on the particular websites, and depending on they are attract and they are trying to purchasing that product. Okay, means the software quality, if software quality is there, good graphics is good, okay, everything is good, if you are easily purchase that product through the online, you are preferring that websites. Okay, generally you are people are using the Flipkart, Amazon. Okay, and once you everything is fine, you can purchase. Means software quality is important. These three are very basic important things, and Python can easily do these three. Okay, so we will move towards the next point. Here with one line I can say, why Python? 46% of the data science job listed in the Python, that is a required skill. Those having the Python skill, industry prefer for the Python learners only, or you can say Python. Python, those are having know the Python, you will get the 40%, 46% opportunity in this domain, that is a data science. There is a one survey, the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency awarded $3 million to develop the data analytics. This is a very big, we can say, developments in this data science domain, and where Python is processing. All that you can process using the Python library. We will discuss what are the important libraries, but that library you can use to develop such type of amazing applications in the defense. Okay, after that, this is the definitions. We can say simple definition. What is a data science? Already know in our pre-talk, our principal sir, our HOD sir also discussed the basic part. You can understand some common definition of data science here. First, a powerful new approach to make discoveries from the data. Okay, means you can find insights from the data. Okay, it is a raw data, and from that raw data you can find out the insight that actually required for your business, and you are focusing on that data only. Then second one, an automated way to analyze the enormous amount of data and extract the information. Means with this huge data you can extract required informations only. And third important definition, that is a new discipline that combine aspects, that is the statistics, mathematics, programming, and visualization. And with this 3 to 4 different discipline, we can turn to the data science, and you can extract the information from our raw data, and this is a data science only. Okay, the thing is there, you can extract the data from the raw data, and you can use for your applications. Then I will not go with this life cycle. Once we go for next 1 and 2 day, you can clear all these points, all these terms. Okay, in that I am focusing over only 5 different points here. As any data scientist or any data science learners, they should understand the business problem. Means what type of problem you want to solve, that you can understand. Means understanding of the data. After understanding of the data, you can go for the model. Means whatever model, actually that model is required for this problem. Means depending on the problem, model is different. Therefore model selections are the important. You can note down the these steps also. If you are interested, you can note down understanding of the problem, then finding the model as per the problem you analyze. Then after that, simultaneously you can make the data acquisition, and you can understand the data. What is the data acquisition and what is data understanding? That is our learning part. We can learn in the next part. Okay, but data acquisition and understanding are the most important part in the data lifecycle. Then after that, finally understanding all these three, you can go for the deployments. Deployments means finally you can use that applications, okay, for the customer side, and after that you can end this life cycle. Then this part is there. What is the difference between data engineers, data analyst, data scientist, and machine learning engineer? In the last day we will discuss what is the difference between these 3 to 4 domains, and how you will get the opportunity for your career in these 3 different or 4 different domains. Okay, and the last slide from this, people are always confused with the AI, ML, and data science. Is it different? Is it similar? That we can understand from this. You know, artificial intelligence, a machine trying to do something that human can't do. Okay, and the example, that is object identifications. Currently in number of situation you are using this object identification. Then transcriptions of the speech into the text. Okay, number of languages you can translate, you can convert your speech into the different language. that application is a applications of AI. And last is a sentiment analysis. Okay, with the people views, whether it is a negative or positive. Okay, whether my product is a good or bad. From that you can make the some sentiment analysis. This is about the AI. Then machine learning. Simply machine it gives some data and we will learn from itself. Okay, machine, we can learn from machine itself. That is the simple machine learning. And last, that is a data science, the intersection between the computational, that is a mathematics, statistics and computer science, and the information science. Okay, sorry, it is the information science. Means we can say AI, ML and DL. This is the hand to hand go in the current day. Once you clear with the basic fundamentals of machine learning, you can go for the deep learning. And combining machine learning and deep learning is nothing but the AI. It is a we can say subset. ML and DL is a subset of the AI. Okay, this is the end of the introduction of my data science. Now it's a part of now hands-on. We will go on the hands-on. Before that, participants, are you connected with me? If any query, please raise your hand. I have completed my basic part, means basic introduction of the data science. Now I am moving toward the Python programming. This is our first day. We will understand the Python programming. For that purpose, I need your Google Drive. Are you connected with me? Okay, if you are connected with me, then we will go for the next part. Okay, our first important installation or first important tools, that is a Google Colab. Simply we can say it is a Google Collabority, or in short we can say it is a Google Colab. This is a link for the Google Colab, but don't bother how you can go with the Google Colab. That is our part of program. Therefore, first you understand in one slide what is a Google Colab. It is a free online cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment that allow to train your machine learning and deep learning model. As we discussed, you need to use the modeling techniques, and through the machine learning and deep learning model, you can train by using the Google Colab with the power of CPU, with the power of CPU, GPU and TPU. But CPU, already you know the power of your computer system that you are using for processing your data. Then second, that is the GPU, that is a graphical processing unit. Okay, some extra power you can use to process your data. And in the current day, the combination of CPU and GPU you can use for the TPU, that is a tensor processing unit. And industry choosing this platform, that is a TPU, and Google Colab support for all these three. Tensor means it is a multidimensional. You are processing the image in the current day, therefore TPO play important role. Okay, clear this simple definition. That is, you can train your machine learning and deep learning model with the power of CPU, GPU and TPU. Therefore, this is a freely available with this Google Colab platform. I think so everyone clear this definition. Then after that, we can say this is a simple, we'll directly go for the practice. Okay, don't go for the getting started. We will directly start the Google Colab. Okay, this is a hands-on practice over the. I will just reading these lines, and after that we will start. Start your Google Colab. How you can start? Use your Gmail. Participant, is my screen is visible? Okay, this is your Gmail. This is my Gmail, and through this Gmail at right side there is a Google applications. Sir, आवाज ओके ना? हाँ? कोणीतरी एक जण ऑडिओला कनेक्ट राहा फक्त, म्हणजे जर पार्टिसिपेंट्सला काही इश्यू असेल तर मग मी चेक करतो. Okay, fine. Participants, please open your Gmail. Okay. After opening the Gmail, you can click on the Google applications. Once you click on the Google applications, you can find here the drive. That is your Google Drive. Once you click on the Google Drive, I am repeating this step. Participants, be connected with me. I am repeating these steps. This is your Google Drive. Click on the, this is your Gmail account. Click on the Google applications and connect with the Google Drive. After that, you will get this window. Okay, up to this, okay. Participants having any issue, they can chat with our technical team. Vijay Kumar sir, are you facing any problem? You are self-muted, you can talk with me. If you are facing any problem, you can talk with me. Any participants, if you are facing any problem, you can talk with me. Sudhir sir, are you facing any issue? Sudhir sir, are you with me? Sudhir sir, are you with me? Sir, are you with me? You raise the hand. If you are any problem up to this, you can ask me. Now we are go on the hands-on. Yes, Sanket, are you with me? If your chat box is working, participants, you can share your query in the chat box. Okay, if everything is fine, then we will go in the next part. If no any participant facing the problem, you can discuss with me. Okay, fine. Now, after opening this Google Drive, you click on New. After that, you are getting the more. Click on the New. There is a more option is there, and in the more options, in my platform, I am find this Google Colab, but 95% people can't see this Google Colab in their Google Drive. Why? Because I'm using the Google Colab, but you as a new learner, you have not used the Google Colab. Therefore, how you can use, you can go by searching. There is a search icon. You can go with the search. You need to start with the Google Colab. How you can go with the Google Colab? Okay, just wait. You go with the more, and after that we can go with the Google Colab. Install it. Participants, you can see this screen now. Okay. Now you are getting the another window here. Okay. Okay, all of you, you can see this window. Then after that, okay, fine. Then already you have opened this Google Drive. Okay, everyone with this Google Drive. Okay, in this Google Drive, you can go with this new. Everyone be connected with me, then only it is possible. Go with the new. Then there is a more. Now you not find here Google Colab. Okay, how you can connect with Google Colab? Go with connect more applications. New more, connect with more applications. Okay, here we can write down Google, or directly you can write down here Colab. First you are seeing after typing COL, you are getting this Collabority here. Be connected with me. After new, go in the more applications find. After that, at right corner there is a search icon, and just you can type COL. You will get Collabority. Just click on the Collabority. Okay, after click on the Collabority, you are getting this type of icon. Okay, this is a Google Colab icon. Okay, this is a Google Colab icon. Now click on the this icon. You can double click on the Google Colab icon. Is my screen is visible to all the participants? Is my screen visible to all the participants? I am using Srinivas sir system right now to show the Google Colab. Okay, and after this Google Colab, you will get the options that is the install. Okay, at my window I have already installed, but at your side you can install. Participants, if you have completed these steps, how you can start with the Google Colab. Now screen is visible. Now screen is visible. Participants, please confirm me is screen is visible. I am repeating the steps. Again, I am repeating the steps. Participants, again I am repeating the steps. After your Gmail, this is your Gmail. Everyone with their Gmail accounts. After the Gmail, at the right corner, there is a Google Applications. At the right corner, there is a Google Applications. Click on the Google Applications. There is a drive. Everyone already familiar with the drive. How you can open your own drive. That is okay. Then new. Then you can go in the more option. Participants, okay, we will some participants having the issue with this screen. I am repeating again similar step. This is once you start, after that you can do the practice. Okay, this is a part of the learning. This is a part of learning how you can start the Google Colab. This is a part of the learning, and once you start, you can use the Google Colab in the future also. In first time you are using the Google Colab, that's why you need to do this type of steps. Once you install, for the future, for this Google Drive, you don't require to install the Google Colab. Yes. Okay. Now I'm repeating the steps here. Again, new, more option is there, and everyone go with the new. Then there is a more options. Then after the more, last there is a plus sign, and across this plus you can find out connect more applications. Okay. Okay. Then click on connect more applications. Okay. Everyone can see this type of window at your end. Here there is a search applications, and in the search applications you can just type COL. There is a Colab, or if you are not getting, you can write complete spelling here, COLABORATORY. Okay. After Colab, you can click on the Colab, or you can say Google Colab. Are you getting this option? Yes, everyone can see this icon, that is for the Google Colab. Okay, fine. Then just click, double click, or you can single click on the icon. Okay, fine. Up to this, everyone clear? If any query, you can use the chat box. You can use your chat box and tell me if anyone having any issue, or you can raise your hand. Just click on the installation. Now, after this window, that is a Colab team, Colab, just click on the installation. After click on the installation, you will get the options cancel or continue. Click on the continue, and it will ask for the verification. Verify using your own Gmail, or you can say actually last time you are using your Gmail account, that you can find by default here. Just click on your okay, then okay, and finally after installation, sir, you can take photographs. If people are connected with the WhatsApp chat, they can find from here only. Okay, now it is installed in my system. Now it is installed. Participants, try to use the chat box. I request to all the participants, try to use your chat box So we need to connect. Then only we will understand whether you are with us or not. You can use your chat box. Participants, are you with me? You can unmute yourself and tell me the query. Participants, you can unmute yourselves and tell me if any problem is there. आवाज येतोय ना माझा? Unmute to all participants. Participant, you can unmute yourself and tell me your any query, you are facing any query. If not, this is okay for the Google Colab. Once you install the Google Colab, now once again I'm giving the access to the participants. Is Akansha Biradar madam is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam. Madam, are you with me up to this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you installed the Google Colab? That
Collaborate.
installation?
Yes, yes. I have installed.
Okay, okay. I need to check for the other participants, 3 to 4 participants randomly. I can check, and then after that we will go for the next steps, right?
Okay, sure, sir.
Madam, if you have any query, you can put the chat box. Are you not using the chat box? Chat box. Please use the chat box.
I was muted by the organizer, but now I have been unmuted. I'll mute again on my own.
You can unmute yourself whenever you want. You can unmute yourself and you can discuss.
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Other participants, if anyone having issue, one by one you can ask me issue, and whether your installation is done or not, that you can ask me. My screen is visible here. Everyone's screen is visible. Madam, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Okay, okay. Means participants, are you with me? Please give me the quick confirmation with your audio.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We have installed this Google Colab.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine, fine,
Yes, sir.
fine,
Go ahead.
participants. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can unmute yourself whenever you want. Slowly, you can connect with me. I will clear the issue. Once we install this Google Colab, I will share one file. After there is no any installation part, but only Google Colab you need to install in this way. Now my screen is visible. Yes, this screen is visible to all the participants.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we
Yes,
will
sir,
check.
it is visible.
Yes, now we will check. Before that, there is a new. Now again, click on the new, more. Now you can find this Google Colab here now. Before that, before the installation, you will not find this Google Colab, but now you have installed Google Colab and you are finding this window here. Yes, everyone. Now double click on this Google Colab. Now after this, again I'm repeating the steps. New, more option is there, and now you are getting this Google Colab. You just click on the Google Colab, you will get this new window, and this is your Google Colab window where you can start your coding. Yes, yes, please. Up to this, everyone fine?
Yes, sir.
I have one doubt here.
Please tell me your doubt.
Sir, we have this Jupyter notebook and this Google Colab seems to be similar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why are we going for this Google Colab?
Sir, why we are going for the Google Colab? It is an open source tool. Still, we are not install the file which is a 100 MB, 200 MB, 500 MB. Okay, just we are using these open source tools. Okay, and we can do your programming. You can implement your model using the Google Colab.
Okay, so
It is
if
a virtual one.
don't have,
It,
okay,
it is a okay.
so
We
if I
will
don't
discuss.
have a Jupyter notebook,
Huh.
then I can go for Google Colab. That is what you mean.
Yes, now we have not installed any software in your system. Okay, we are using please unmute. Okay, fine. We will go step by step, and at the end of day, suppose anyone facing the problem, we can discuss. Now, everyone with this window, I think so. Everyone with this window, if any problem, you can repeat all the steps, and you can come with this window. Okay. Now, you can check here, you can write the file name, that is a HTTP day one. Okay, you can write, you can give the name for your file by just clicking untitled, and you can say Control S. Control S is working here. You can, okay, or you can just write here name and click on the first line. Are you with me? Okay. Okay, this is a file. Then we'll type 3 to 4 line, and once you comfortable with 3 to 4 line, then I'm sharing one file with all the participants. You can just practice for that file. We will go step by step. You can understand the concept. Okay, and after understanding the concept, you can run that particular code at your end, and then after that we will complete the first part of the our session. Okay, right here, a, you can write here a is equal to suppose 10, right? You can run here whether that line is running or not, that you can check. It will depends on your system. Okay, it depends on the speed of your system. Now when I run this a is equal to 10, at the right corner I am getting the connecting and connected initializations. Here you are getting the RAM and disk, and this is the power of CPU, and you are using the power of GPU, right? Depending on the system configurations and depending on your means we can say speed, you can execute your line of code, right? Okay, then you can, how you can go for the next line? There are two options to go with the next line. At left corner you can find this code. Just clicking on the code, you will get the another line, right? First line I have written here a is equal to 10. Now in the second line I am writing here b equal to 15. Participants, be connected with me. You can do the simple, we are writing very simple line here. Why we are writing here line? To understand the fundamentals, basic understand of the Google Colab. And once you understand, I will share one file. You can do the practice with me, and we will understand the basics of Python, where all the contents you can find in that file. Okay, you can run this file also, and after running this file, at the right corner you can check yes, second line is also clear. Then go for the third line. You can write here, suppose I want to make the addition of a plus b. Simply I can write c is there, c equal to a plus b. I will run this line also. What is this a b? That we will discuss in the next part, but just make you comfortable with this platform. Once you make the comfortable with this platform, you can learn the complete Python in the Google Colab itself. Okay, fine. Then after this line, click next line. I want to print the result here. That is the addition of the a plus b that I want to find. And a very simple command in the Python, that is a print. What I want to print? I want to print the C. Why? Because the result actually I have stored in the C. Therefore, I want to print the C. And just after writing, you can click print C, and yes, it's done. You are getting a plus b 10 plus 15 is equal to 25, and that you can check. Okay, participant, write these 3 to 4 lines and tell me, are you comfortable with this line? If you are comfortable, I'm giving the audio access. If any participant facing the problem with this, they can ask me. Yes, I'm giving the I'm unmute to all the participants. Anyone facing the problem, please tell me. Yes, I have given the access. You can use your audio,
So we are
and you
good.
can ask the question.
So we are good.
Yes, yes, fine. Yes, other participant, please. Are you good with 4 lines? Have you completed these 4 lines? Participants, please give me the confirmation with chat box or.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are good.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Akanksha here.
Yes, Akansha,
Yes, sir.
please.
Can you please repeat the same?
Yes, sir. Yes,
once
sir.
again?
Done, sir.
Okay. Some
Hello?
participants. Yes, yes, please.
Sir,
Hello?
Akanksha again.
Hello?
Wait, madam, Akansha, madam, wait. I will solve your problem.
Okay.
Please tell me.
Hello?
Please tell me. Who is speaking? Please tell me.
B.R. Rathod.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Please tell me, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
you are
What's the
audible.
question?
Tell me.
Yes,
tell
sir.
me.
I am. Yes, yes.
Are you fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, Akansha, madam, what actually we have complete up to this? Are you with this platform? Means, are you on this
Yes,
window?
yes. I have changed the name as well.
Okay, fine. Then this is my first line. Means you are starting now. You are starting the Python coding here. This is a some basic fundamental. We will discuss the fundamental, but just I'm making comfortable all the participant with this window. And once you are comfortable with this window, we can directly switch over the file. Okay, I will share that file also. First line, you can if you want to create a new line, just click on the code. I'm writing. I have write here first line a is equal to 10. Then after that I can click code. I will get the new line. You can assign any value here. I'm assigning here. Sorry, suppose d is equal to 20. Okay, you can take any value and you can run.
Okay.
20 will be assigned to the d, right? After that you can take the new line code, and in this way you can take the new line and you can write the code.
You mean I can write the code in the below line, and above I can give any value to any alphabet, like any variable.
Yes. All 4 line you can write in one simple. Okay, suppose I'm taking all variable here. Suppose I'm taking e is equal to 15 here. Similar, I can take f is equal to 30 here in single line. I can write here g is equal to e plus f. I can make the addition. Okay. Here also I can make, and I want to suppose print the result here only. I can print. Okay, I can print here. Now what I want to print? G. I can find out here 30 plus 14. It's a 44. I will get the result 44. Yes.
44. Okay.
44.
Sir.
Right? Means
Understood.
Yes. You can write anywhere.
Okay, sir.
And click on the first line.
Okay.
Okay, and suppose you want to give the title for this 4 line. You can click on the text.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, everyone with me? This is a other part of the learning. This is a new part of the learning where after writing the code, there is a code, and right side there is a text. Suppose I'm giving here title this is a first line in the collab. This is the first line in the collab. You can give the title here, right? This is the first line, or you can say this is the first code in the collab. From where I have taken this, just click on the text. After that, you will get this window, right? Whatever you want to give the title or this code or this program, you can give and just enter there, or you can move to the another line. You will get the title here. Yes.
Yes.
You will get the title, and at the right corner, suppose I want to remove one particular line, you can delete that. How I can delete? You can click
Right.
the simple right click. You can delete the cell. Suppose you want to insert any line after this text, you can insert. Okay, this a is equal to 10. Yes, simple. We have used the two. This is the part of understanding. That is, you can add the line by clicking on the code, and you can give the title by using the text. I think so. Everyone fine up to this? Participants, unmute yourself. If you are fine, then we will switch to our file directly. Please give me the confirmation. Are you fine up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Other
Yes, sir, we are
participants?
good. Yes, sir, we are good.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Up till now, there is no problem, sir.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Okay. Yes, please. Tell me, sir. Someone is actually speaking. Please tell me. Please tell me. Okay, then participants, I request to all the participants, it's 12:30. But as today we have started, and due to some technical issue, first we have lost our 30 minutes, and after that there is an inauguration. Therefore, we are 1 hour late for our program. But we will cover today up to 12:50. We can connect here 12:50, and last 10 minutes or last 5 minutes, I will give the chance to ask the questions. I think so. Up to this, everyone is clear. We will extend up to the 12:55, and then 5 minutes I will give the questions, time for the questions answers. This is our first day. If in the first day, if any participant facing any issue, you can ask me personally after end of these sessions. Okay. Those are completely student. Those are completely new with this platform. Definitely, they will face some issue, but I will clear personally, so that today, or we can say tomorrow, you can be with other participants. Okay. Please give me the confirmation. Now I am switching to the another files. Give me 1 minute. I will sharing one file with you, and you can upload that file in your Google Drive. And after uploading the Google Drive, you just open. I will repeat the step. You just focus on the screen. How we can upload the file, how we can open that file from the Google Drive, and how we can use it. Okay, just wait for 30 seconds, sir. Okay, again I am on my screen. Participants, again I am on my screen. Okay. Actually, for Google Colab installation, I have used another screen. But again, I am on my screen. participants, my screen is visible to all the participants. Is my screen is visible to all the participants? Please give me the confirmation with audio or chat box. I have unmuted all the participants. Please give me the confirmation whether my screen is visible to all the participants.
Visible, sir. Visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
it is
visible.
visible.
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine.
Visible, sir.
Now, yes, I'm sharing one file on your
I am
Google.
visible, sir.
Yes, okay, fine. I'm sharing one file. You can upload that file in the Google Drive. Very simple steps, but I will repeat all the steps. There is a, just wait. Okay, I have prepared one folder for you. Okay, this is a DSML HTTP folder is there, and I'm sharing this complete folder with you. Okay, and I'm putting this link in the chat box. Are you comfortable with the chat box? You are means you are getting your chat box window at your platform. Means so we can just you can click on that link and you can use the access of my Google Drive. Okay.
The chat box is not enabled, sir. Yet.
Chat box not enabled.
Yes.
Everyone chat box is not enabled. Then I'm sharing the screen with the our WhatsApp group also. You can anywhere you can use you can access my Google Drive. You can access this file and you can add this file in your Google Drive. Okay, you are getting this location of the file. It is in the Google Drive. Now I'm sharing get shareable link here. Okay, I am copying this link. Copy the link and putting in the WhatsApp chat. First, I'm putting this link in the WhatsApp chat. Okay. My screen, my WhatsApp. Actually, I'm opening my WhatsApp. Go. Or I can mail that file. Okay. This is our group, and I'm sharing this link here. Yes. Now, just you can. I have shared the screen, and I'm sharing the screen in our chat box also. I'm sharing the screen or sharing this link in the chat box also. Those having the access of our chat box. Okay, I have shared at both the places. I have shared at our Google, at our WhatsApp group. I have shared at our chat box. Okay, go to webinar chat box. You can access these links and
Sir, it is asking for access.
Okay, I'm giving the access here also. Okay, I will permit for the access to everyone. Yes.
Add that get link down, sir.
Yes.
Change to anyone.
Yes. Now I'm giving access to all the participants. Yes. Don't edit. It's an editor option. I think here. Not edit. I want to share. Viewer. Now it is opening. Done. They can see. Okay, viewer. So all. Okay, done. Now try it. From where you access this, from the WhatsApp chat or from the webinar chat. Participant try to download this file. If you have any query, I will share this file with your mail also. Okay, just I'm downloading this.
We have two files in this.
Yes, this is a part of learning.
Session 1 and
Participants.
session.
Yes. Don't open. Just put in your Google Drive. Don't open. You will be in confusion if you open, because this is the part of our learning. How we can upload that file, how we can open. That is a part of our session. Therefore, just upload in your Google Drive. Okay. Just upload. Sir, are you getting the access for this file now? Any participant, please confirm me. Are you getting the access of
Yes, sir.
my Google Drive? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please then I'm not
Open the
sharing with
folder.
you. You just keep at your desktop or at any your folder, and after how you can upload, simply you can go, you can file upload. Okay, that is a Google Drive access. You can just go. You can go here, file upload. How you can upload? You can you are getting this file upload. Okay, file upload. Sorry, not file upload. You need to upload the folder here. Sorry, it's a folder here. You can upload the folder. Okay, you can select this folder from the desktop or any locations where you have stored it or you have save it. Okay. I'm repeating these steps. New folder upload. Folder already I have shared. You can just you can means you can select that folder here and upload. After uploading this folder, you can find that folder on your Google Drive. Everyone uploaded that folder. Have you completed the uploading of the folder? And once you upload the folder, you can find this folder. Okay, DSML HTTP 2020. Participants, please give me the confirmation. Have you completed these steps? Anyone having the issue, they can talk by using audio. So
Sir,
I can help and
sir,
we will go. Please.
sir, I can see the contents like data cleaning session 1 and session
Yes,
2
fine.
Python files,
Wait
but I
for a
am not
minute. I
able
will.
to upload the folder.
You are not upload.
Yeah, I am not able to upload the folder since I
Where
am
this
already in
file?
the folder.
Where this file you are stored or in your desktop? Where is this? Where is the location of this file? Oh, sorry, folder.
I have just clicked on the link you have shared and I have come to the inside folder view. If you click on the
Directly.
folder, there are 3 options.
Okay. Then you can click. Are you
Now tell me the steps
getting the
how to
file
save this. I am here.
_1? Or there is a 2 file after data cleaning. There are 2 files, session
Yeah.
1 and session 2, right? Then double click on this session 2 file. Just double click on the session 2 file.
Okay.
Just click on the session 2. Don't click on the session 1. I request to all the participants, if you have uploaded the file, maybe something is different at your side, but our target is to open session 2 file. That is a learning or brush up of the Python. Those already know the Python, they can take the practice. They can take this part for the practice. Those are completely new one, they can practice over this file. Now after opening this file, okay, this is the session 2 file. Then I
Sir,
double
after
click, I'm
opening
getting this
the
window.
file, I can see the code only. I cannot see the same screen that you are sharing.
This screen you are not share, not seen there.
Uh,
This screen session to
I
learn
I
in
I can see
enjoy.
the code
In
code
that
that
case,
you
you
write
just
in.
right click on that file name and open it with Google Colab. You try this.
In this way also you can right click. You can right click. Okay, you can open with Google Colab. If this
Okay, okay.
if you install the Google Colab, then you will get the options. If you not install the, but I think so everyone install the Google Colab. Then it's very
Yes,
simple.
yes.
You just right click, open with Google Colab, or you can double click one and send. Thanks
Yes, sir.
participants for yes.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now, all other participants, are you open this file? That is the session 2. Yes, please give me the confirmation. Now I'm meeting all the participants and we will do the practice only. Please, participants, give me the
Yes,
confirmation.
sir.
Have you opened
Yes,
this
sir.
file?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, fine.
Right, sir. Go
Yes,
ahead.
okay.
Go ahead.
Other
Yes,
participants,
sir.
please. Yes, please. Dinesh sir, Dinesh Darp is there. Dinesh Darp sir, are you open this file?
I'm trying to open that. I'm trying to
Uh,
upload that in Google Colab.
Sir, you have downloaded that file?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have saved that on my
Okay,
desktop.
yes. Very simple. Just click on the new file upload, folder upload, and you can select and you can upload there.
मग तसं तर होणारच ना.
Yes. Okay. Then okay, fine. More sir have completed. Ganesh Dake sir. Dake sir, have you uploaded
Hello.
file? Dake
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Fine,
I
sir.
am trying to.
Yes. Upload, please. Upload, please. I will give the time. If you have any query, you can connect with me after end of this session also. You can connect with me. I will help, sir. Right? Okay. Jitendra, sir. Jitendra, sir, are you with me? Jitendra, sir, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Tell you.
Have you uploaded the file?
Sir, everything is done. I'm okay.
Good, sir. Good job, sir. Right. We will start the learning of the Python or brush up of the Python, sir, within 1 minute, right?
Yes.
Pratik Thombre, sir. Praveen Ambekar. Praveen Ambekar, sir. Okay, sir. Have you uploaded the file? Have you uploaded the file? Yes. Fine.
No.
Sanket, have you uploaded the file? Shoaib, Sonali Pawar.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Sunil, sir. Sudhir, sir. Okay. Tanmay, sir. Have you uploaded the file? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Gosavi,
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Gosavi, sir. Okay. Yes. Vijay Kumar, sir, having something issue, I think so. Vijay Kumar, sir, please talk with me. You can unmute yourself and you can talk with me. Okay, fine. Okay, if any issue, you can connect with me after end of this session. Now I am going for the practice of this particular file. Now I am unmute to all the participants. Yes. Now I muted all the participants. Okay, fine. Everyone with this file. Yes. We will start. This is a Python brush up. Those are completely new for the Python. They can understand this, or those actually know the basics of the Python. they can practice. Okay. I have included all the contents required for the learning of the basic for the Python in this file. You can practice over this file and you can complete the basics, or you can say brush up of the Python. First, we have written here simply 1 plus 4. Just click on this file. You will get the result 5. Depend on your speed, you can get the access. Okay. If you are not getting the results, or we can say output, you can just go here and restart the runtime. If at your end your system facing any problem, if you are not getting the results, you can go with this runtime and restart the runtime.
Sir, it is asking for access.
File for
Hello,
file
sir.
access.
Yes, sir.
What is your name, sir? Please tell me your name.
Chabukswar.
Sir, I think so. You can share with the mail. I can share that file on mail also. You can download and you can access. Okay. Only 10-minute session is there, sir. After end
Okay,
of this session, you can connect with me. I will help and I will clear that issue. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Sir, same goes with me.
Okay. Those who
It
having the issue,
requires
because
your
but
it
some
is
people,
asking for access.
but some people already downloaded this file.
No, while running, sir.
While running, sir.
While running. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. While running, he is also asking for the.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, there is one announcement to all the participants. Now I'm giving the access. I think so. Number of participants in the queue. I'm giving the access to the participants. Wait for that. Now I'm giving the access to all the participants. Don't edit. I'm giving the access. Okay, reload again and try it. I think so. I'm giving the folder access directly. I'm checking here. Technical team, the link on the WhatsApp chat box. Respond and fill the contents. That is a day one attendance. I think so. You can check the link. You can bring for the WhatsApp link. Okay. I have done some settings at my end. I think so. Rashmi Deshmukh madam got the access. Other people also can check whether you got the access or not.
This is Dinesh.
Okay. Yes.
So we are able to edit that file, sir. It's perfectly okay.
Please repeat. Actually, your audio is not clear.
So we are able to edit that file.
Okay. Yes.
So it is perfectly okay at this side.
Okay. On chat box, our technical team have shared the feedback for 2 days or attendance for the 2 days. In the WhatsApp chat box also, or in the webinar chat box also, there is a link, and this link for join the WhatsApp group. You can open your chat box and click on that link so you can join with the WhatsApp. Okay. All the announcement, all the issue we can solve by using the because this session we not again come with the GoToWebinar to solving your issue. You can discuss the issue over the WhatsApp group so others also learn from your issue and it can solve your problem. The access problem I can means I can solve that access problem. I think so. This file is at my end. You need some special access, and after that only edit. I'm giving the audio access to all the participants. I have given the audio access. If any one participants have got the full access, they are running this file in their end. Please tell me those participants are running this file at their end. They can clear here.
Yes, it's running, sir, now. It's running,
Yes?
sir, now. It's running now.
It's running now.
Yes, yes.
Sir, have you got the access? You can run this code at your end.
Yes, yes.
Fine. Sir,
Yes,
your
sir.
name, please.
Tabukswar.
Okay, fine, sir. Other participant, please confirm me. Please tell me your name and whether you are getting the access. So we will connect after 1:30 and we can solve your problem.
Hello, Pai Modi sir.
Yes, please.
Baba Sahib Shinde here.
Please, sir. Please tell me.
I also have got the access.
You got the access. Good, sir. You keep your doing practice over this. Don't go for the practice. If you directly go for the practice, you can make the confusion. Those who are completely new with the Python. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Those
Okay, sir.
having the basic fundamentals of Python, those who having the basic fundamentals of the Python, that people only go with this file in the practice for today. I'm repeating this part in the tomorrow session. I will be repeating all this part in the tomorrow sessions because this is the foundation language, that is a Python, and once you know this basic part, then only you can go for the coding and then for model, or you can go for the machine learning developments. Okay. So if those who having get the access, you can take this basic Python types. Very simple. There is a number. You can make the addition. You can make the multiplication. You can divide. These two doubles are indicate 2 raised to 3. You are getting the 8 here, means 2 raised to 3 square root you can take here, and this is some basic fundamentals of the number system. Okay, that you can practice. Request to all the participants. Thanks. Be connected. This is our first day. Definitely, a lot of people, those are completely new this platform. They having the issue, but I think so. Everyone comfortable with GoToWebinar. Everyone comfortable with this Colab. Today we will directly start with the practice. Hope you good up to this. Please give me the confirmation the audio, and up to 1 o'clock I think so session will be automatically end. If you have any issue, you can connect in the WhatsApp chat box regarding the access of the file. We keep doing practice on this file in the tomorrow session. Yes, Akansha madam, you have any problem?
No, sir.
Please tell me.
No, sir.
Okay, fine.
I'm fine
Other
with
speakers, sir?
that.
Okay. Other participants?
Hello,
Whom
sir.
shall we?
Hello, Paimod. Hello,
Yes,
Paimod,
please.
sir.
One by
We
one,
are
please tell
Rathod
me.
speaking, sir.
Yeah, please,
Sir,
sir.
there is one question. Can I work individually after this session on that file particularly? Hello, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, you can work. Please, first I want to complete the answer here. You can work,
Yes.
but
Yes.
only then if you are comfortable with the Python. If you are completely new, then don't go for this file. We will take the practice on tomorrow, and after that you can do the practice.
Okay.
If you are the
Yeah.
if you already know the Python, then you can go.
Okay, sir.
Newcomers,
Thank you, sir.
don't go. Newcomers, those are completely new. I request to all the participants, don't go. We will extend 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. That is not our part. Is finally our approach or objective. You should hands-on this platform. That is our objective of our HTTP. Okay. If you have any doubt, we can extend our time in the future also. But okay, from tomorrow we are extending our time. You can connect at 10:15. O'clock only. You can connect me with 10:15, and we will extend to the 1 o'clock. So we can complete our part, today's part. We are.
तू खाऊन घे तुझी तिला राहू दे तिला एक राहू दे तू खाऊन घे
Please participant. Anyone having issue?
हळूहळू जा हे ठेवून दे
Rathod, have you solved your problem? Chetan sir, Deepak Kumar Patil sir, Dinesh Darp sir, any issue? Gnaneshwar More sir.
No, sir, perfectly fine, sir.
Okay, Ganesh Dake sir, if you any issue, discuss with me. Ishwar Palkar sir, Jitendra Idle sir, you can discuss me personally if you having any issue.
Right on. No issue. Please go ahead, sir.
Yes, Pratik Thombre sir, any issue? You can discuss
No problem,
personally. Yes, okay, fine. Praveen Ambekar sir.
No issue, no issue.
Okay, fine, sir. Any issue, you can connect me personally. I will solve your issue, right? If you are comfortable with Python, you can go for the practice. Otherwise, we will take the practice on tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Sir, Dinesh sir here.
Yes. Umera Ali madam, Rashmi Wagmara madam, please tell me any issue.
All the participants,
okay, sir.
Please join the WhatsApp group with the link provided in the chat box.
I request to all the participants once again, join WhatsApp group. If you are offline, we not connect with the GoToWebinar continuously whole day. You can discuss your query in the WhatsApp group, so other people also can learn from your query. Right?
बरोबर तू जे सांगितलं ते बरोबर वाटलं
Please control yourself and mute yourself. Deshpande, Shoaib,
व्हिज्युअल टेक्निक्स म्हणजे जीयूआय बनवणे
Shoaib Khan,
चालू
Sonali Pawar, Tanmay Bhalambe sir.
No issue, sir.
Gosavi sir. Vijay Kumar sir, are you fine? Vijay Kumar sir. Okay. Yogesh Nagarwati sir. Yuvraj sir, are you with me? Okay. Then faculty, this is our first day, and just we have started. We are on track on first day. From tomorrow, we will connect to 10:15, and we will end the session exactly at 1 o'clock. Be connected, do the practice. Those are completely familiar. Again, I request one thing: don't touch to the other files. Actually, I have shared. I will take the practice, then only you will get the comfortable, and then only you will get the learning from that file. Okay, fine. And I'm actually concluding my session. Try to use the chat box. So participants try to use the chat box. Now I'm ending the session here from my end. Any issue you can discuss in the WhatsApp chat box. Okay, thank you.